Good morning, students. As we have discussed about the topic components of food, we have discussed about different components like carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Today we are going to discuss about the one another component, that is water. Water, as half of our weight, means our body 60 to 70% is made up of the water. Now, what are the sources of the water? From where we get the water? We get the water from the food like vegetables and fruits that we are eating. Second, from the drinks like tea, coffee, fruit, milks, and the water as we are drinking. Third is from the oxidation, means the breakdown of the glucose in our body cells. Means as our body is made up of the cell, and in our body the sugar is converted and or sugar is breakdown, and their breakdown release the water. Next is, what is the function of water? Water forms the body fluids like saliva and the blood. Second, water help in digestion of food, transfer of nutrients from one place to other. Third, it help in removing waste materials from the body, example sweat and urine. Fourth, it help in functions of cell and circulation of blood. Fifth function is it regulate the body temperature. So the water is very important for our body. So we should drink 6 to 8 glass of water every day for our healthy skin, healthy body, healthy bones, lungs, all the organs of our body. Okay, now the next component, that is the roughage. Roughage is, that is rough. No, actually does not provide any nutrients to our body, but it is an essential ingredient of our food, as it helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Means roughage remove the waste from our body. What are the sources of the roughage? The salad like cucumber is the good source of the roughage. Second, vegetable, fresh fruits, whole grain, pulses, beans, etc. What is the function of roughage? It is an essential component of our food and add to its bulk. Second, it does not provide any nutrient to our body, but it remove the undigested food from our body and help us to prevent the constipation, that is kabj. Okay, so what is balanced diet? A balanced diet is that contain the 50% carbohydrate, 35% fat, 12% proteins, 3% vitamins and minerals, and sufficient amount of water. So we need to have a little of all kind of food every day to get all the nutrients and roughage, and this type of diet is called as balanced diet. Now the question is, what are the functions of the balanced diet? Balanced diet means it provides energy to our body. Means why do we need balanced diet? If we take the proper amount of nutrients to our body, then our body will be energetic. Second, it helps a person to remain healthy. Third, it provides raw material for growth, repair, replacement of cells, tissues, organs of body. Means in our body, cell, tissue and organs, they break for time to time. For their growth, repair and replacement, we need the balanced diet. Fourth one is it is rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals and fatty acid. So this is all about the balanced diet. So we should take balanced diet every day to keep our body healthy. We should drink 6 to 8 glass of water daily. So I am concluding the today lecture like what we read. about the water, their sources, their functions. Second, about roughage. What are the sources of roughage? What are the functions of roughage? Next is, what is balanced diet? And why do we need to take balanced diet? Or what are the functions of balanced diet? Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, then call me or message me. Okay.